5 Top Air Fryer 2026. Let's dive into the details. Number 5. Ninja 4-in-1 Air Fryer. Crispy, roast, reheat, and dehydrate. Craving crispy, golden fries, or juicy wings without the guilt? Meet the Ninja 4-in-1 Air Fryer, your kitchen's new multitasker. With Air Crisp technology, it delivers hot, crunchy results using up to 75% less fat than deep frying. The spacious 5-quart non-stick basket handles big batches, perfect for family meals or meal prep. Air fry, roast, reheat, or dehydrate with ease, turning frozen foods into crispy delights in minutes. Compact yet powerful, it saves counter space without sacrificing capacity. Cleanup's a breeze thanks to the non-stick surfaces, and the included recipe book sparks inspiration. From snacks to sides, it's crispy, convenient, and clever, all in one. Number 4. 8-quart dual basket air fryer for quick, easy meals. Meet the 8-quart dual basket air fryer, your shortcut to delicious, healthier meals without the wait. With 2 independent 4-quart baskets, you can cook 2 different foods, 2 ways, at the same time. Use Smart Finish to sync cook times or match cook for one-setting simplicity. From crispy wings to roasted veggies, it's 6-in-1 versatility. Air fry, broil, roast, bake, reheat, dehydrate, handles it all. The XL capacity fits mains and sides together, perfect for family dinners, and uses up to 75% less fat than deep frying. Easy to clean, dishwasher safe, and packed with recipes, it's built for real life. Finally, quick, easy, and satisfying meals, without compromise. Number 3. 7QT Air Fryer with panoramic view and 12 presets. Meet your kitchen's new MVP, the 7QT Air Fryer with panoramic view and 12 presets. Perfect for families and food lovers alike, its spacious 7-quart capacity handles everything from crispy wings to full roasted entrees. No oil needed, thanks to Fryforce 360 degrees technology. 12 one-touch presets take the guesswork out of cooking, while the see-through window, interior light, and futuristic 3D holographic display let you monitor progress in real time. Smart reminders guide you to flip or add food, and you can even mute routine beeps for a quieter kitchen. Whether you're meal prepping or hosting, this air fryer delivers golden, crunchy perfection every time. Number 2. Top overall pick, Amazon's choice. Meet your new kitchen MVP, Amazon's choice for a reason. The Cosori air fryer isn't just another appliance, it's a game changer. With Turbo Blaze technology, it cooks faster, hotter, up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and quieter, less than 53 dB, delivering crispy, juicy meals with 95% less oil. Yes, really. The 6-quart ceramic-coated basket is spacious, non-stick, and dishwasher safe, so cleanup's a breeze. Precise temp control and 5 fan speeds ensure perfect texture every time, while the optional preheat function adds flexibility. Plus, it comes with a 30-recipe cookbook from chefs and dietitians. No guesswork needed. Whether you're feeding a family or meal prepping on a busy weeknight, this air fryer makes delicious, healthier eating effortless, fast, and guilt-free. Number 1. 5-in-1 glass air fryer for single and family meals. Meet the TIC6 5-in-1 glass air fryer, your smart, space-saving kitchen sidekick. Whether you're cooking for one or feeding the whole family, its dual glass containers, for cutie large, 6-cup small, let you switch effortlessly between single servings and family-sized meals. With 5 one-touch modes and 90% less oil, enjoy crispy wings, golden fries, and even baked cookies, guilt-free. The transparent, food-grade borosilicate glass lets you monitor cooking in real time, while dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup a breeze. Stackable design saves precious counter space, and the included silicone mat protects surfaces. Healthy, versatile, and built to last, this air fryer does it all, without the fuss. So, that sums up my 5 top air fryer. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time,